Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create HTML email templates in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and then we need just to go to our email templates. So here, we just search for email templates and we can either have a lightning email templates or classic ones. So from here, I'm just going to click on new templates and then choose HTML. So as you can see, we need to already have some classic letterhead. So I'm just going uh, either with custom without using the classic letterhead, and then you can start next. So you can start adding uh, the HTML, etc. This is the template unique name. We click on next, and from here you can start adding your HTML content. So basically you will need just to use your tags with your HTML, and after that you will need to do whatever you like. You can start using some variables for your object that you are using. So this is the select field type. You need just to choose which type you are using. So we either it was a contact field, and here you can select the field that you would like, which would be, for example, a contact ID. And from there, you can copy it and merge it here if you want the copy ID, for example. So from here, it should be in the body. Uh, you can use a body tag, etc. And you will need just to add the code for your HTML, and then you can start adding the body of your email. So at the end, you will need just to click on next, and basically we need just to have a subject. We click next, and at the end you will need just to use a text body and just click on save, and now you have your HTML email have created. So thank you for watching and see you next time.